We have any coffee mugs in here? Oh snap, what up y'all? I did it. It's Apple Day. I ordered an iPad Pro. But why do we do this every single year? We wake up just to get stressed out, spend our hard-earned money, spend our hard-earned money, stressed about putting our orders in, can't get the orders through, and then we just fork the bag over. But anyways, I did order the new iPad Pro. Which one and why? We gotta talk about it. But first, I need coffee. Alright, now that that's out the way, I kind of feel scammed. But before I explain, what's up y'all, this Tight Shirt Terry back in the building. Hope you're having a good day so far. Today the shirt is pretty tight. If this is your first time here, yo, a fat welcome to you. And if you're part of the fam, you came back, make sure you drop a hashtag fam down in the comments. Now, I gotta be honest. Right now, I have the 11-inch iPad Pro, which she is right there. Matter of fact, let me bring her over here. Y'all say hello. I love my 11-inch iPad Pro, but I kind of feel scammed by Apple because I've been waiting on this new iPad for so long, and then they come out and tell me that they pulled another one of these iPhone Pro Max type of deals where, well, wait, if you want the best of the best, then in a Pro device, you gotta buy the more expensive one, and I just think that's crap. But let me go back and explain which iPad I got, why I got it, and let me just be transparent, right? So I'm gonna put the video link up there to why I initially chose, I'm gonna put it up there, to why I initially chose the 11-inch iPad Pro. The long and short of it was I preferred it to be portable because I have a full-size MacBook Pro and I don't want two huge portable devices. Now, the 2020 version, remember, both of them were the same. So it didn't matter if you got the 11-inch or 12.9-inch, they came with the same processor, same features, same screen. Apple, same screen. And the only difference in price was if you wanted the bigger one and, you know, storage and stuff like that. So then we talk about the new one that just announced. And I'm excited for it because I wanted mini LED. I'm excited about the Thunderbolt upgrade. I do like the new wide angle front camera, but let's be real. How many times do we really use our front cameras or rear cameras on our iPad? People that's into like AR and they need to design stuff on the fly. I get that part, but I ain't that guy. So for me, I never used the camera. So for me, the big deal is M1, Thunderbolt, mini LED, and this new wide angle front camera that can do like the motion tracking thing if you did want to use it. But this is where I feel slighted. I feel pissed off. I feel like Apple is playing games. Mini LED is the biggest feature for iPads that we have been waiting on. I would say mini LED and Thunderbolt. Why is it that I can only get mini LED in the 12.9-inch? It does not make any sense. I want to stick with 11-inch, not the 12.9-inch for portability reasons. And plus, I already have a Magic Keyboard. So wait a minute. For me to go to the 12.9-inch, that means I have to spend more money just to get mini LED when they could have put it in the 11-inch, which there's no reason why they can't fit mini LED in the 11-inch. I don't care what y'all say. If they could do a 12.9-inch iPad Pro with mini LED, you mean to tell me that they can't make an 11-inch version of it? No, it is all marketed. It is all to funnel you to get the 12.9-inch because it costs more money. Now listen, not only do I have to get the 12.9-inch to experience mini LED, which let's be honest, a lot of people are upgrading for mini LED, but then I gotta buy a new Magic Keyboard, so I gotta turn around and spend another $300 some odd on a Magic Keyboard. It is complete BS to me that they are pigeonholing us like this. And don't get me wrong, we love Apple products. I love Apple products. I use everything Apple, but I'm not feeling this pigeonhole mentality that Apple is using to force you into buying a more expensive one. That is crap to me, and Apple has never done this before up until the 12 Pro Max, not to my knowledge at least, where if you wanted the best camera, you got to get the 12 Pro Max and spend more money. I don't want a 12.9-inch iPad. For them to both be considered pro devices, why do I have to be pigeonholed into getting the bigger one just to get the best of what Apple offers? That's bullshit to me. I should have been able to get the same feature set like they did with the 2018, the 2020 models. I should have been able to get the same feature set in both iPads. Yeah, I'm pissed about it. I feel like I got scammed, but neither here nor there. I ordered it. I ordered the 12.9-inch. Let me tell you why. Okay, let me tell you why I ordered the 12.9-inch. Hold up. Now, before I give you all the reasons, if you like this video so far, you haven't joined the fam, why haven't you done it yet? Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Drop a like on this video too. I would really appreciate it. And all the music used in this video is from Epidemic Sound. If you want to try them out, copyright free music, 30-day trial, no credit cards required. Link is down below. Tell them Terry Warfield sent you. Now, why did I pick the 12.9 inch, even though I just got done telling you that I love the 11-inch iPad Pro? Well, let's be honest. It's only for Mini LED, and I'm gonna be totally transparent. I'm really getting the 12.9 inch to see if Mini LED versus the already amazing display on the current gen iPad Pro is worth the money to upgrade to it. That's literally it. I don't want a 12.9 inch iPad. I guess because I've never used one like in actual practice, I do want to compare them to see if it's a big deal going from 11 inch to 12.9 inch. But I remember when I bought this one, just holding the two side by side, I was like, damn, yeah, that's a pretty big difference. So I want to see if it will make a big difference to me to go 12.9 instead of 11 inch, or if maybe the display isn't that much better to go to the 12.9 inch, and if it's better to stick with the 11 inch iPad Pro, because trust me, I don't want to buy another Magic Keyboard. So time will tell. Expect more videos concerning this topic on if I'm going to keep the 12.9 inch or not. If I don't keep the 12.9 inch, I will likely sell my 2021 just because I'm a snob and I want the latest and greatest. I will likely sell my 2021 to get the M1 version, but I'm curious to see how this all plays out. So let me know what y'all think in the description about the printer is going off. Let me know what y'all think in the description about this move by Apple. Which one are you copping? Are you sticking with the 2018 and 2020? Let Terry Warfield know down below. So that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Till next time, peace and chicken grease. I am out. Terry Warfield. Boom!